Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 23rd March, Nifty ends this week at 22,096 and Bank Nifty at 46,863. So before going to this week's update, as usual, we are going to study what we have analyzed in the past week and also during the week. Analyzing the previous charts which we have analyzed during this week will make us to understand the Elliott wave in much more easy way. So that's the reason I'm sharing all those informations in all my videos. As per our last week video, we expected 21,860 zone as the support level, but it came to 21,710. Why? I will share the reason for it. So this was analyzed in previous week video on 15th March. The price breaks the previous low of 21,900. The support level expected is 21,860 to 820. Okay. See, this is the chart. This is on 15th March. 15th March. Okay, 15th March. When this drop, okay, when the price drops here, and I said if the price crosses below this low, 21,900, we may expect 21,860 to even 21,820. Okay, this level. So even though the price got support at that zone only, okay, 100 points drop. So the next tweet is, as expected, the price rejected from 22,050. I think I am referring to the previous tweet which I not mentioned here. When the price was giving an upswing here, I said this level, okay, the price may reject from here. That is what I am mentioning here. Rejected from 20,020 and reached the low of 21,920. But interestingly, the price not crossed below the 21,900. Okay, this is where the levels are changed. See, this portion is, okay, this 5-wave portion is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This portion. Okay. So interestingly, the price not crossed below 21,900, and this can be a truncated fifth. Many have commented in my timeline and also in my direct message. They said that there is a possibility of truncated fifth, but please understand the truncated fifth is very rare pattern. That pattern will mostly happen during the high volatile days or mostly at the end of the correction. I believe this is not the end of the correction. I will share my viewpoint, but considering all these facts, I said this can be truncated fifth, but it's a rare pattern and mostly come at the end of the correction. Another possibility is the fifth can extending down. Okay, that is the idea for me. Okay, see, this is 5-minute chart. This is the last leg. Okay, I'm referring to this low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the drop comes directly here, we may expect a turn from 21,860 to 21,820. But the price not crossed below this low and made a swing. That's why I changed my idea that the fifth wave is extending and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see, this is what I marked before happening. The price once reached 61.8%. Actually, the price little move above, but once the price reached 61.8%, I mark it as 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and 3 of 5 to proceed. Because this is not the C wave. And some other commented that this can be an ABC and ABC, but this decline is not the C wave. Okay, so I consider it as a 5 wave. So I mark it as 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and 3 of 5 to proceed. And this is the expectation next day. See, on 61.8%, slightly moved higher. I marked before even crossing that level. And I expected this way to complete the 5 waves within the fifth wave. So the pattern has extended. I believe I shared the possible support around the 750 zone. Okay. Yes, 21,750 zone. I not take the screenshot in this video, but I shared in the post that since this is an extended, there's a possibility of support around 21,750. What has happened? See, the next day, exactly price fall in wave 3 of this 5. But considering again this wave 3 not fulfilled the other criteria for wave 3, I thought it could be the ending diagonal. Okay, on the same day, see, this is 19th March, this also 19th March. I expected some more fall in the wave C to complete a minimum of this level 21,750C. I have marked this level, right? So considering that factor, I thought it would be the ending diagonal and I expected this kind of move. And this is on 19th March 15 minutes chart, and this is what happened on 22nd March after completing the 5-wave decline and impulse and ending diagonal as expected. See here, this is the expected pattern and this is what happened, and the price moved higher. Okay, and many have had an idea that this can be still the wave C and one more down is possible. Yes, that also agreed, and I had that view as an alternate. So I checked inside this wave, and many people have commented that how to count the wave counts in smaller time frames. So I tried in 1 minute. Okay, yes, I tried the 1 minute time frame and count the Elliott waves. See, this is 1 minute, and on 21st March yesterday, see this low is here. Okay, this point. From this I count these two waves, 1 2 3 4 5, B 1 2 3 4 5. Why I marked A B C instead of 1 2 3 4 and 5? The reason is I'm expecting minimum price to reach here. Okay, but the price stopped here, so I expected this will become a complex. The price does not complete its objective here, so I thought the price would make some other complex pattern to complete its objective, so I made it a complex. So ABC, ABC and ABC, this is what my expectation. And if you see here, I can even show 5 waves within this waves. See, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, fourth completed here, and 1 2 3 4 5. This is 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is the beauty of Elliott waves. This is what I expected in 1 minute chart, that is in a very shorter time frame, but I does not share in the Twitter because someone may take trade based on this idea, so it does not share in the Twitter. So, and this is what happened next. The price came lower but does not touch this endpoint and suddenly move higher. I think even it crossed 22,150 levels. As I mark this level, the price came lower and moved higher. This is what I analyzed last week. So what we can expect in next week. So this is what I'm expecting now. Since I mark this as expanded flat as of now, A, B, C, okay, C to come lower to 21,100. Until the pattern changes, I will mark like this. This is how I work. From this top, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will expect a B wave in a 3-wave structure. Then the price to come lower again to minimum of 21,500 and 21,100. Wait, I will have alternate view also considering the broader markets. Okay, this is only as per the Nifty. So with this idea, I mark it as a complex pattern here. So this is what expecting now, one lower and move higher to 22,200 to 22,250. So the upcoming week we need to see the levels. So 22,200 to 22,250. If the price crosses this level, okay, 22,200 to 22,250, with the gaps or with the fast price action, we need to question that this is a B wave or a start of a new impulse. Okay, please have that in mind. As of now, I mark it as a WXY, ABC, ABC, A, B, C. This is the expectation now. And let's see how the price behaves here. 22,200 to 22,250. That is what we need to see in next week. So this is the update on Nifty. And if the price rejects here, we may see one more fall in Nifty. This is the update on Nifty. And Banknifty, yes, if you remember, 48,000 is the important resistance we informed in the earlier sessions, and the price after crossing the 48,000 almost reached to 48,800. So now what is the possibility? If you see, the price already reaches the important support of 61.8% and giving a bounce. Okay, but the pattern is not clear we are not clear that it is completed a corrective pattern. So again, going with the similarity with the Nifty, I mark these two levels. It's already in resistance, that is 47,000. If it moves higher, because Nifty has a chance of moving higher to 22,200 to 22,250, this Bank Nifty also can move to 47,000 to 47,200. So we need to watch this level. Okay, anyway, it may face some resistance, but we need to see the follow through is happening or not. Okay, since it's a price action there, some sort of rejection may be there. We need to see follow up in the price. So we need to watch 47,000 to 47,200 for resistance zone in Bank Nifty, and we need to see how the price reacts here. If you reject it, it may come one more lower to 45,600. Okay, I'm not expecting a much deeper correction in Bank Nifty, maybe below this level. Let's see how that price rejects, then we can expect the levels. So without the endpoint, we cannot expect the how far the correction may come. So we need to watch this level in Bank Nifty. Okay. And also there is a possibility Nifty that there is not necessary to it will come to 21,100. Okay, it may even stop at 21,500 and start moving higher, and that will give an entirely altogether different count. But all are bullish only. So this is the update on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. The reason for the confusion is either the Nifty should come lower or not because of this broader markets. See, on March 13th, okay, here, the price dropping, okay. See the price coming fast manner. I said probably this is decline in wave 4 of the larger third, okay. And support levels are marked in the chart. If declines, initial support may come between 14,000 to 13,850. I said initial support at 14,000. Okay. So the price exactly got support at 14,085. Okay. Our area only. But my question is, my doubt is, are we completed the correction here, or one more low is still pending in the broader markets? That is my question. So for that, we need to see these levels between 15,100 to 15,250. Okay, I marked these levels based on some assumptions. So 15,150 to 15,270. Okay. So if the price rejects from here, okay, there is a possibility of coming one more lower. Okay. At the same time, there is a possibility that it just pull back. Okay. It does not make a new low, but just give a pullback. In the meantime, the Nifty made a low. Okay, either thing it is possible. Because of that reason only, a little confusion, because the broader markets reach the support level. This is the important support, 14,000 to 13,850. So from 14,000 only, the price moved almost 1,000 points. So let us wait. Okay, this is the important zone. There is a possibility of rejection here. Okay, at the same time, there is no necessity that to come lower. Okay, it may pull back and move higher. So this is the update on small cap. So 15,150 to 15,270, or either 15,300. We need to see that 150 points how the price reacts there. In the small cap, possibility of rejection is still there. And in mid cap, see, if it is A, B, C, and I doubt that the same concept, or we completed the entire correction, we don't know, because it's a very sharp fall. For confirmation, I marked these levels. Now price trading around 17,502, and the price already in resistance in smaller time frame. We need to see whether the price rejects at 17,536. Okay, 17,530 to 17,550, very small zone. Okay, so that's why the price already in resistance only. So a 50 point in mid cap 150. This is Nifty mid cap 150. Okay, 17,500. So 17,500 to 550. Okay, 17,500 to 550 is a possible resistance zone in the mid cap. Okay, we need to see how the price reacts here. So we may get a pullback, but coming below this level, okay, 17,400, we need to slightly think about the alternatives. Are we going one more lower or a pullback? Okay, that's the update on mid cap also. Since the broader market reaches the most important support point, but still I feel there's not a proper completion of these waves. So let us wait for confirmation this week, and I believe some sort of rejection will come here, okay, in this zone. But will there be a follow-up decline or not? Okay, that is what we need to check during this week, right? So this is what the update I want to share with you this week. I have shared these tweets and charts only for learning purpose only, not for saying that I have marked it correctly. Whatever we analyze this week, we are going to discuss in next week. This is what we do in every week analysis. Either it is correct or incorrect, we will discuss. Okay, I'm sharing all this only for a learning purpose, learning the practical usage of the Elliott waves. So if you wish to learn the Elliott waves in 100% practical and understandable and usable method, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your support. We'll meet you in next update. Thank you. Happy weekend. Bye. Take care.